ಸ್ವಾಮಿಯೇ ಶರಣಮಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ. Yesterday was such a great, blessed day for me and Krishnan. Reason being, there were around 15 Ayyappamas who had come from Delhi, from Mumbai, from Coimbatore, from Pune, and even from USA, and they all had come home. Truly, it was such a blessed, divine experience.
అయ్యప్పో స్వామియే
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶರಣಂ
ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಶರಣಂ
ಅಯ್ಯಪ್ಪ ಶರಣಂ
ಸ್ವಾಮಿ ಶರಣಂ
നമ്മളുടെ യാത്ര ശബരിമലയ്ക്ക് യാരെ കാണാം
സ്വാമിയെ കാണാം
സ്വാമിയെ കണ്ടാൽ
മോക്ഷം കിട്ടും
എപ്പോ കിട്ടും
ഇപ്പോ കിട്ടും
എവിടെ കിട്ടും
ഇവിടെ കിട്ടും
ഏത്തിവിടുപ്പ അയ്യപ്പ ശരണം അയ്യപ്പ
സ്വാമിയേ
So, right now, they must be on their way towards Shabarimala. They must be climbing and almost reaching the Sannidhanam. So, this song is dedicated to all the blessed Ayyappamas, Maligapurams, and all the 15 of them who came home and gave us an opportunity to take care of them, to serve them. And this song, which I am going to sing today, is composed by my dear Appa. Appa used to go almost every year to Shabarimala, and these few songs which he composed on Ayyappan, of course, out of sheer devotion and on his way to meet Ayyappa. So here it goes. Dedicated to the 15 of them who are right now climbing the Malai to meet and to have darshanam of Swami Sharnamayyappa. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Namami sharanam Shabharigirisham. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Namami sharanam Shabharigirisham. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Ambujanetram Ambujanetram Komalagaatram. Ambujanetram Komalagaatram. Ambujanetram Komalagaatram. Aranyavasitam Harihara Putram. Ambujanetram Komalagaatram. Aranyavasitam Harihara Putram. Pampatire Shabari Pidhe. Pampatire Shabari Pidhe. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Namami sharanam Shabharigirisham. Namami satatam Shabharigirisham. Namami सततं शबरिगिरीशम् स्वामिये शरणमय्यप्प स्वामी